welcome back to Speakeasy English Podcast. Today we are going grocery shopping together, but without getting lost in the vegetable section like Marcus always does.
Excuse me, I do not get lost. I simply explore. I am like a supermarket traveler.
You explore? Last time you spent 10 minutes trying to choose between two bananas.
They looked different. One was a little serious. The other one looked friendly.
Anyway, our topic today is buying groceries at a supermarket. This is so helpful for daily life. You will learn useful phrases to sound confident.
Even if you only go to the store for bread and end up buying snacks, ice cream, chips, and another snack.
Yes, friends, we all do that. But today, we learn how to talk at the store like a smooth English shopper. Ready?
Let us start with a simple situation. You enter the supermarket. What do you say to staff?
You can say, "Excuse me, where can I find rice?" Or, "Which aisle has milk?"
Aisle means the row between shelves in the store, like small roads for shopping carts.
Exactly. And do not worry, we will practice more. Stay with us and let us shop like confident English speakers.
But first, Diana, can I buy friendly bananas again?
Marcus, focus, please. All right, we just entered the supermarket. First step, grab a shopping cart or a basket.
Yes, if you only need a few items, you take a basket. If you plan to buy everything in the world, you take a cart.
Marcus always takes a cart, even when he says, "I only need bread."
Because life is full of surprises. Bread becomes bread plus cookies plus juice plus chocolate plus happiness.
All right, shoppers, here's your first useful phrase. Where can I find blank?
Example, where can I find tomatoes? Or where is the dairy section?
Dairy means milk and milk products like butter, cheese, yogurt. Simple and helpful.
Another phrase, do you have fresh bread today? This sounds polite and confident.
Yes, always speak kindly to store employees. They are helping you. A smile works too.
Unless you see the cookie section, then you smile automatically.
Marcus has a cookie addiction, friends. Send help.
No help needed. Just cookies.
So now we are walking through the supermarket. Let us look at common grocery items you might need.
Yes, for example, vegetables, fruits, milk, eggs, bread, and rice.
And do not forget spices. Many beginners ask, "How do I ask for spices?"
Easy. You say, "Excuse me, where are the spices?" Or, "Do you have black pepper?"
Perfect. And here is another helpful sentence. How much does this cost?
Or if you are scared of prices like me, just whisper, "Please be cheap, please be cheap."
Marcus, you sound like someone praying before checking a bill.
Yes, grocery shopping is a spiritual journey, especially when tomatoes are expensive.
Another phrase, do you have a bigger pack? Useful when you want more items.
Or, do you have a smaller pack? Useful when you only want a tiny amount and not a one-year supply.
Exactly. Always ask politely. Politeness makes your English feel friendly and confident.
And if you forget the word, just point and say, "This one, please." It works too.
Great. We got our fruits and veggies. Now let us move to the snacks section.
Snacks, the magical place where diets go to sleep and chips start talking to you.
Yes, every packet suddenly says, "Take me home."
And I listen. I am polite to snacks.
All right, learners, here are useful phrases. Do you have this in another flavor?
Flavor means taste, like spicy, sweet, sour, or cheesy. Cheesy is my favorite. It tastes like happiness.
You can also say, "Is there a discount on this?" Or, "Is this on sale?"
Sale means lower price. The best word in the English language after cookies.
Another useful question, can I get a smaller packet? Sometimes you just want a small snack, not a family pack for 20 people.
Or maybe you do want the family pack. We don't judge here. Hunger is personal.
And if you cannot find something, say, "Excuse me, where are the chips?"
This is also a survival question, very important for life.
Marcus thinks chips are life essentials, like air, water, and Wi-Fi.
If chips were Wi-Fi, I would have unlimited data.
Okay, team, we survived the snack section. Now we move to the dairy section.
Milk, cheese, butter, yogurt, basically the land of breakfast dreams.
Useful phrase. Where is the low-fat milk? Low-fat means less fat, more healthy.
And if you do not care about fat like me, you ask, where's the full cream milk?
Another helpful one. Do you have unsalted butter? Unsalted means without salt.
Salted butter is for toast lovers. Unsalted butter is for people who bake or pretend to be on a diet.
Also, practice this. Is this fresh? Because dairy should always be fresh.
Unless yogurt starts talking to you, then it is not fresh anymore. Run.
Marcus, please stop scaring people in the dairy aisle.
I am here for education and emotional support. Dairy is serious business.
And one more phrase. Can I get 1 liter of milk? Simple and polite.
Or if you drink a lot of tea, can I get 2 liters of milk? No judgment. Tea is a lifestyle.
Okay, team. We survived the snack section. Now we move to the dairy section.
Milk, cheese, butter, yogurt, basically the land of breakfast dreams.
Useful phrase. Where is the low-fat milk? Low-fat means less fat, more healthy.
And if you do not care about fat like me, you ask, where's the full cream milk?
Another helpful one. Do you have unsalted butter? Unsalted means without salt.
Salted butter is for toast lovers. Unsalted butter is for people who bake or pretend to be on a diet.
Also practice this sentence. Is this fresh? Because dairy should always be fresh.
Unless yogurt starts talking to you, then it is not fresh anymore. Run!
Marcus, please stop scaring people in the dairy aisle.
I am here for education and emotional support. Dairy is serious business.
And one more phrase. Can I get 1 liter of milk? Simple and polite.
Or if you drink a lot of tea, can I get 2 liters of milk? No judgment. Tea is a lifestyle.
Now our cart is almost full. Time to visit the frozen food section.
Frozen food. The land of I will cook someday dreams.
Yes, like frozen peas, frozen pizza, and ice cream. Very useful for busy days.
And lazy days. And hungry days. And basically every day.
Useful phrase. Where is the frozen section?
Or do you have frozen vegetables?
Another good one. Is this ready to cook? That means you can cook it fast.
And my favorite, is the ice cream on sale? Always ask. It saves lives.
Marcus believes ice cream is emotional medicine.
It melts sadness. Science, trust me.
All right, learners, one more phrase here. Can I get 1 packet of frozen peas?
And if you cannot choose, just take 2. Future you will thank you.
Great job, everyone. Now let us go to the billing counter to pay.
Also known as the moment of truth, when you see the bell and question all your life choices.
At the counter, you can say, I would like to pay, please.
And the cashier might ask, cash or card?
So you reply, card, please, or cash, please.
They may also ask, do you need a carry bag? That means, do you want a shopping bag?
You can answer, yes, please, or no, I have my own bag.
Another helpful sentence, can I get the receipt? A receipt is the paper that shows what you bought.
Yes, and if you want a digital receipt, ask, can you email the receipt to me?
Or if you are shocked by the total price, you may whisper to yourself, I did not need that many cookies.
We believe in smart shopping, not cookie panic. But yes, it happens. All right, we paid for everything. Now we are leaving the store with our groceries.
And with a heart full of pride and a wallet slightly empty.
Before we go, here are some polite English phrases you can use at the exit. thank you, and have a nice day.
You can also say, "Thank you for your help." It makes you sound friendly and kind.
Yes, politeness makes communication smoother. People remember kindness.
And if you bought snacks, the snacks remember you too. They call your name at home.
Marcus, please do not tell people that chips whisper in your kitchen.
Okay, fine. But I will admit, sometimes I talk back to them.
Friends, ignore him. Let us practice. I had a great shopping experience.
Or if you are tired, finally, shopping is done. Then go home and rest. Or eat cookies.
And that is our grocery adventure, friends. You learned phrases for fruits, vegetables, snacks, dairy, frozen food, and billing.
Yes, now you can shop in English without feeling confused or shy. You are basically a grocery warrior.
Remember, learning English is like filling a shopping cart, one useful phrase at a time.
And sometimes you pick up things you did not plan, like confidence, new skills, and maybe ice cream.
Practice these phrases next time you go to the supermarket. Speak slowly, smile, and enjoy the moment.
And if someone stares at you while you practice, just wink and say, "Learning English, boss."
We love your energy. Keep growing, keep learning, and keep smiling.
If you enjoyed this episode, show some love. Like, share, and drop a comment below.
And hit that subscribe button so you do not miss our next fun English conversation.
Happy shopping and happy learning. See you in the next one.